Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook This Reels has no sound error problem? In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all long press on Facebook apps, then open Facebook app info, just click on I button or app info. Now scroll down, tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Go back. Now tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Open Play Store. Click on search bar and search for Facebook. Just search Facebook. From here update your Facebook apps. If available any update version, just update your Facebook apps. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Only restart your phone. After following all steps, now I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.